Hello everyone, this is Lucy and in this video I will show you how to remove archived box in top of WhatsApp. So this might be pretty annoying for some people where your archived chats will appear at the top of your chat box. So what you can do is you can always go to your settings from the three dots located in the top right corner and go to chats. Here you will see archived chats. So you just need to toggle the slider in keep chats archived, and if you go back you will not see the archived box anymore, and you will also receive messages from those particular chats that you archived before. These are all the things you need to do in order to remove archived box in your WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.